Welcome back for the fall semester. I think it's been a little too quiet around here. We've been busy on campus. We made progress on the hub with a new College Street entrance and upgrades to the dining hall. The next phase of work on this project will begin over winter break. We've also launched a bold new effort, the Burgess Institute for the Global Economy. Any student, regardless of major, will be able to participate in the Institute and get hands-on experience, knowledge about global economic systems, and the opportunity to learn from alumni and parent experts in their field. This is just one of the ways we are giving our students a leg up. As we come back together, we all recognize these are tumultuous times. We face a divisive election, wars across the globe, and contentious social justice issues. I ask each member of our community to commit to making Dickinson an inclusive and respectful environment. We will disagree. We will experience discomfort from time to time because of the differences among us. That is what a liberal arts education is about. Learning and growing requires us to stretch out of our comfort zone, but we must be respectful, and we must remember that the strength of our community is in its diversity. I'm looking forward to being back together again. When you see me on campus, please say hello. I love to hear about your summer and the ways you're taking full advantage of your Dickinson experience. Challenge yourself this semester and have fun.